Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Hakko AI step by step. So Hakko AI is designed to work as an AI companion you can chat with while playing games or using other apps. So first download Hakko AI from the Google Play Store or another supported app store. And once it is installed, open the app and create an account, and you can sign up using your email address or continue with Google. Next, complete the account setup by entering a name, selecting your gender, and following the remaining instructions on the screen. So after finishing the setup, you will be taken to the main page of Hakko AI, and then the app may immediately show you its Pro and Ultra subscription plans. So these plans include additional features, but you can close the subscription page and continue using the available free options. So some plans may also include a trial, so make sure to read the details before choosing one. So from the main screen, tap the plus button to access tools like screen sharing, calling, and chat. So some features require a paid plan, but you can still explore the free options and create characters. So that is how you can set up and start using Haku AI. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.